Bon, Samgela. Hey. Hey, I think I was feeling myself, guys. Fierce. Hey. Hey. Hi guys, this is Miss Remy here and welcome back to my channel. I know this clip has nothing to do with what I'm saying right now, but I guess kisses to you guys. On this video, I will be demonstrating and sharing with you how I achieve one of my favorite head wrap style. I always gravitate towards this head wrap when I am feeling lazy, when I'm in the rush, when I want to feel chic, or when I having a bad hair day. Yeah, that's my favorite hairstyle. And as you will see, this kind of stem because I had just washed my hair, so it's wet. I had conditioner in my hair, leave-in conditioner in my hair, so yeah. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will really appreciate that. As a matter of fact, how about you just like right now? Huh? Yes? No? Okay. But anyway, when I do tie my hair, I always put a piece of fabric that is satin to cover and to protect my hair underneath any head wrap that is not satin. Because I was trying on wigs and I wasn't going anywhere and I wasn't going to leave this for a long time, so that's why I didn't have any fabric underneath this cloth. But always tie your hair and protect your hair, because sometimes I also put a satin bonnet to protect my hair, because I don't want the fabric to dry out my hair. Yeah, so let me know if you're a person who like tying your hair, or if you're not a fan. How do you feel about it? Just let me know in the comment section below. And as you will see, I will be removing some of the jewelry I'm wearing, because I do believe that the less is more, because it brings out your beauty. Right now I'm trying to center the cross of the fabric in the middle of my eyebrows to go over the bridge of my nose, and push it back a little bit so you could see some of my hair. I really love this head wrap style. Like, if you see me tie my hair, that you will see that. And I love this fabric too, like the color of it, I like it. I have other ones, but sometimes when I find something, I just stuck to it. Kind of too much, because you already have something over your head. Sometimes if you're going for the look, it's fine, but for me, the simpler it is, the better, because I want to show my beauty. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a wonderful, a peaceful, a joyful, and a blessed week and weekend. I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you guys. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.